If you happen to have a Suburban RV furnace and there's no outside access door, you can purchase one of these to easily access your sail switch if you need it. And that's what we're going to do, is install this today. Here's a shot of the part number. First thing we'll do is we'll take a putty knife here and break the seal all the way around the silicone on the exhaust. And we'll take and remove these 6 screws. Now with all those screws removed, we'll take our putty knife here and put some butyl tape on the back. We'll just go ahead, carefully pry this off. Now with that removed, we'll go ahead and put our access door on here, position it where we want it, and then we're going to take a Sharpie marker and make a couple marks there. So now what we'll do is take our frame here, we'll put her upside down here and line her up on those marks. And then make another line on the inside here. Now we'll place this on there where we want it, and we'll draw on the inside here all the way around. Okay, I have my marks laid out where I want them. I'm going to take an oscillating tool and go and cut the very first layer of this fiberglass. If you have a aluminum skinned RV, you're gonna just go through the very first part there. There should be insulation behind there. This happens to have rigid foam behind there, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut on the outside of that line so our tray can fit in there. And I am going to wear a little breathing and have some eye protection here. Okay, I'm going to take a little putty knife here and then peel the outer layer all the way off here. Now I'm going to take a utility knife here and run this along the foam here, and I'll peel that out of there. Okay, I'm going to dry fit our little frame here. And we'll make some marks here. And we need to trim it a little bit. And then we'll take some 100% silicone, put it all the way around here, and then screw this in. And then we're going to take and cut a little access hole on this luan here. Okay, changed up my blade here to a metal one, and there's a little bit of aluminum here I'm gonna have to cut into there. Okay, I went to put a dry fit on there. There was a screw that was there, and I burned up 2 blades there, so all I did was take and put a little notch in there. So this fits in there nice. So what I'm going to do now is take and cut a little access where the luan is, and then on the back side here I'm going to take and run a bead of silicone caulk. I'm going to place it in there and then put some screws in all the way around. Okay, now that I have that on there, I'm going to go and drill some pilot holes in there for our sheet metal screws to securely fasten it. I'll put our screws in there. I'm not going to use a drill. Just going to snug them up by hand. Don't want to break the fiberglass. Okay, where the caulk oozed out, just going to run my finger across there, smooth that out, and we'll put our access door on there and our exhaust and intake tube, and we'll caulk around that as well. Okay, now that that's on there, I'm going to take some caulk the very top here, and down the sides. Okay, we're all done. So anytime I need to clean my sail switch or anything, all I have to do is take these 4 screws out. This whole door will slide out and I can access that, and I won't have to go inside and remove the furnace from the inside.